Good morning, students. Same chapter, straight line. There are three exercises 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, 10.1 is only use slope of the line. 10.2 that there are 5 forms of line. One is the point slope form. Second is the intersect form. Third is the slope intersect form. Fourth is a 2-point form. Fifth is a normal form. But now exercise 10.3 is 5 questions have been completed. Now exercise 10.3, that is the equation of line in general form. And what is the equation of line in general form? Then ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Right? Student, now 1 to 5 question already completed. Now question number 6, there are 2 lines given. And find the distance between 2 parallel lines. Now question number 6, equation of the lines, given lines are, first is a 15x plus 8y minus 34 equals to 0. Now second is 15x plus 8y plus 31 equals to 0. कोई भी लाइन जनरल फॉर्म में, दैट मीन्स ए एक्स प्लस बी वाई प्लस सी इक्वल्स टू 0, राइट. बट नाउ फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन 2 पैरेलल लाइन. एंड यू नो स्टूडेंट, दिस डिस्टेंस फाइंड करनी है. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन 2 पैरेलल लाइन, फर्स्ट थिंग पैरेलल लाइन, दैट मीन्स व्हाट इज द कंडीशन ऑफ 2 लाइन आर पैरेलल. What are the condition of 2 line are parallel? Then first exercise में 10.1 में हमने पढ़ा था m1 equals to m2. Slope are equal, that means 2 line are parallel. But this is the general form. That means is a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2 are equal. That is equation of line are parallel. Coefficient of x and coefficient of y are same. a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2. That means 2 line are parallel. अगर ये दोनों सेम नहीं है तो फर्स्ट थिंग नाउ डिवाइडिंग करके आपको कोई भी कांस्टेंट और सोर्स डिवाइड करके आपको सेम करना होगा. एंड सेम करने के बाद नाउ फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन 2 पैरेलल लाइंस. व्हाट इज द फार्मूला ऑफ डिस्टेंस बिटवीन 2 पैरेलल लाइन? दैट d इक्वल्स टू c2 minus c1 upon under root a square plus b square and whole mod. So now C2 and C1, where C1 is minus 34, C2 is 31. So now 31 minus C2 is minus 34, then minus plus 34. Upon under root a square plus b square. What is a? What is b? A is the coefficient of x. That means the square of 15. And b is the coefficient of y. That is the square of 8. And whole mod. Distance is always positive. Minus plus 31 plus 34. 31 plus 34. Upon under root. Square of 15 is 225. Square of 8 is 64. That means as the distance 31 plus 34, that is a 65. Upon under root 5 plus 4, 9, 6, 2 plus 6, 8 and 289. And then 65 upon, what is the square root of 289? I think is 17. 17 into 17, that means square of 289. So 65 upon 17, this is distance of 2 parallel line. Same is the second part of this. But student, now any condition, what is the condition of 2 line are parallel? Then a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2. Yeah, otherwise then m1 equals to m2. That means 2 line are parallel. So now question number 7. First thing is question number 7. Then read the question number 7 and find the equation of line. Find the equation of line. Then equation of line and parallel to the given line and passing through the point. First thing, this is very, very important, is the language of this question. Question number 7, find the equation of line. एक लाइन का इक्वेशन फाइंड करना है, बट नाउ इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ अनदर लाइन, इक्वेशन ऑफ द गिवन लाइन. Equation of the given line is 3x minus 4y plus 2 equals to 0. This is equation of line in general form. इसमें मुझे एक लाइन का इक्वेशन फाइंड करना है, और किसी भी लाइन का इक्वेशन फाइंड करना हो, फर्स्ट टू इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, दैन one thing is slope and second thing is point. Now point is given, find the equation of line parallel to this line and passing through the point minus 2 comma 3. Point is given, only find slope. हम एक लाइन का इक्वेशन दे रखा है. अब फर्स्ट थिंग, लाइन का इक्वेशन जनरल फॉर्म में है. जब भी एक लाइन का इक्वेशन जनरल फॉर्म में गिवन हो, मैंने आपको एक्सरसाइज 10.1 में क्लियर किया था कि स्लोप की देयर आर 3 आइडेंटिटी. वन इज द एंगल इज गिवन, देन m equals slope is m equals to tan theta. Second, now 2 point is given and find the slope of line, that is a y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. But now is a line in general form. So what is the identity of slope? Then slope m equals to minus a upon b. So first thing, now find the slope of given line. So now first thing, now slope of the given line, slope of the line first. Then slope of the line first, then m equals to minus a upon b, where a is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y, a is a 3, upon b is minus 4, that is the coefficient of y, right, minus to minus cancel, then slope of this line is 3 by 4. Slope of given line. But now find the slope of required line, and required line is the parallel to this line, right? Find the slope of the required line, and slope of the required line denoted by m dash, right? This line is parallel to required line. That means what is the condition of two line are parallel? जो line हमें find करनी है, वो line given है, वो उसके parallel है. What is the condition of two line are parallel? m1 equals to m2. यानी जो इस line का slope है, वही उस line का slope होगा. That means m dash equals to m. That means m dash is 3 by 4. And now find the equation of the line, required line passes through. This line is passes through the point, where coordinate of point minus 2 comma 3, right? Then formula, point slope form y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. This is the formula of equation of line in point slope form. Y minus y1, what is y1? This is x1, this is y1. Y1 is 3. M dash is 3 by 4. And x minus x1 is minus 2, so minus plus 2. Now 4 is a cross multiply, then is a 4y minus 4 3 is a 12. And 3 is a multiply, then 3x plus 3 2 is a 6. Then is the equation of line 3x minus 4y and plus 18 equals to 0. This is equation of line in general form. So student, कभी भी एक line का equation find करना होगा, two things, point and slope. Now same is the question number 8. Now question number 9, find the angle between two line. Find the angle between two line. There again is a now equation of two lines are given, question number 9. And question number 9, then equation of two line is the first line, root 3x plus y equals to 1. Root 3x plus y minus 1 equals to 0. This is equation first. Equation of first given line, and now equation of second line, x plus root 3y. X plus root 3y minus 1 equals to 0. This is equation of second line. Now equation of two line are given, and find the find the angle between two line. You know student, what are the formula of angle between two line? Tan theta equals to m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. Right, this is the first formula. Now second formula in general form, then a1 b tan theta equals to a1 b2 minus a2 b1 upon under root a1 a2 plus b1 b2. But this is formula, right? It's only one single formula. First thing, find the slope of two lines. two given lines. Now find the slope of first line. Slope of the line first. Right? Then formula, when line is general form, then formula is m equals to minus a upon b. जब भी कोई लाइन जनरल फॉर्म में गिवन है तो स्लोप फाइंड करने की आइडेंटिटी m इक्वल्स टू माइनस a अपॉन b. व्हाट इज a, व्हाट इज b? a is a coefficient of x, b is a coefficient of y. Then minus a is a root 3 and b is 1. So what is the slope of first minus root 3? This is denoted by m1. And now is the slope of another line. Slope of the line second is the same formula, right? Minus a upon b, then a is the coefficient of x is 1 and b is the coefficient of y is root 3. So this is slope of second line minus 1 by root 3. But now find angle between two lines. हमने आपको एक्सरसाइज 10.1 में लिखवाया था फॉर्मूला, एंगल बिटवीन टू लाइन tan थीटा इक्वल्स टू m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2 and whole mod. Then tan theta equals to m2 is minus 1 by root 3, m1 is minus root 3, so minus minus plus root 3 upon 1 plus minus 1 by root 3 into minus root 3. Then whole mod, right? And now tan theta equals to, this is root 3 is LCM. So now root 3 is LCM. This is root 3 cancel, minus minus plus. Now root 3 is LCM, that is a minus 1 plus 3 upon root 3 and upon, this is minus minus plus 1, 1 plus 1. So tan theta equals to 3 minus 1, that is 2, 2 by root 3 upon 2. Now 2 to cancel, so tan theta equals to, this is 1 by root 3. But now is a whole mod. और अगर आप mod को remove करते हो, that means you are taking positive negative sign plus minus 1 by root 3. So now taking is a positive result, tan theta equals to 1 by root 3. So then taking positive sign, that tan theta equals to 1 by root 3, and now in tan table, that is a tan 30 any pi by 6. So then first answer theta equals to pi by 6, 10 to 10 cancel. First answer. But now taking negative sign, when tan theta equals to minus 1 by root 3, that means tan theta equals to minus sign as it is, that is the value of tan pi by 6, tan 30. But tan is negative, and tan is negative in second quadrant, yeah, otherwise fourth quadrant. And second quadrant, then answer is tan pi minus theta. Then tan theta equals to tan pi minus, that is a pi minus pi by 6 is a 5 pi by 6. So is another value of theta pi by 6. So this is angle between two lines. There are two answers. One is the theta equals to pi by 6 and second is theta equals to 5 pi by 6. Now look here student, this is एंगल बिटवीन टू लाइन. सो जब भी दो लाइन गिवन है और दो लाइन के बीच में आपको एंगल फाइंड करना है, दैट मीन्स इज अ एंगल बिटवीन टू लाइन, दिस एंगल बिटवीन टू लाइन. बट ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है, ओनली वन एंगल, राइट. तो आपके पास में 1 2 3 4 है, मैंने ओनली 2 एंगल फाइंड किए, बट वहाँ पर अगर मैं tan की वैल्यू नेगेटिव थी, अगर फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट को शो करता तो दैट इज द थर्ड आंसर. So this is angle between two lines, then formula is tan theta equals to m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. जब भी को दो लाइन गिवन हो, फर्स्ट थिंग नाउ फाइंड स्लोप ऑफ बोथ लाइन्स. फर्स्ट स्लोप ऑफ फर्स्ट लाइन इज m1, स्लोप ऑफ सेकंड लाइन इज m2. स्लोप जब भी कोई लाइन जनरल फॉर्म में गिवन है, दैट इज द स्लोप ऑफ line formula is m equals to minus a upon b, where a is the coefficient of x and b is the coefficient of y. So first thing, आप दोनों लाइन के स्लोप फाइंड करके and then apply this formula and now simplify. So this is angle between two lines. Same question, question number 10, right? You get 2 points are given, line are given. So when 2 points are given, that means formula, what is the slope of formula, slope of line? That is of y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. But as the line is given in general form, that is the slope m equals to minus a upon. And according to question number 10, the line through this 2 points intersect the line this at right angle and find the value of h. एक कोऑर्डिनेट में एच दे रखा है और एच की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है। आप पहले 2 पॉइंट दे रखे हैं, आप उसका स्लोप फाइंड कर लीजिए। फर्स्ट थिंग, स्लोप ऑफ ए, कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ ए पॉइंट इज गिवन, कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ बी पॉइंट इज गिवन, फाइंड द स्लोप ऑफ द लाइन ए बी। एंड सेकंड थिंग इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ गिवन लाइन, राइट, फाइंड द स्लोप ऑफ दिस लाइन, गिवन लाइन। दोनों स्लोप फाइंड कर लिए, एक m1 फाइंड कर लिया, एक m2 फाइंड कर लिया, और दोनों लाइन एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है, इंटरसेक्ट एट राइट एंगल, right angle, that means two line are perpendicular. Or what are the condition of two line are perpendicular? Then m1 into m2 equals to -1. यहां आप m1 m2 की वैल्यू रख दीजिए, सिंप्लीफाई करोगे आपके पास h की वैल्यू आ जाएगी। So that is the condition of, what is the condition of two line are parallel, then m1 equals to m2. And what are the condition of two line are perpendicular? That is m1 into m2 equals to -1, right? So student, please solve exercise 10.3 question number 1 to 12. Thank you.